Greetings and salutations. This is Carla Moore from MooreTalkJa, and I am here with something slightly different. It's a little section, a little segment that I like to call Don't Be a Duppy Bat. MooreTalkJa's Don't Be a Duppy Bat. Don't be a duppy bat, yeah! No. People have been dating for years. Individuals have been dating for years because some of them is all mature now. And also the concept of dating has been around for quite some time. However, there are certain things that people still doesn't get. And this is especially for man who is trying to date woman. This one. I'm going to talk to everybody across the board, but this one is for man trying to date woman. Come, I don't want to hear anybody say that, oh, I'm a man hater and those type of things. No. Read the scenario and tell me if you can see what is wrong with the situation. Now, man come over to woman house. Man and woman have a nice romantic time, kiss up and rub up and all of them something. It never go all the way, but you know, like a physical something going and people leave them or skip them feet up and all of them type of something. Man then goes silent. Silent for a day and a half to 2 days. No phone call, no BB message, and if any BB message is sent, minimal communication, just some you're good and them type of something there. Man then reappears 2 days later and expects woman to just jump right back onto the buggy and them to keep trundling up on towards that great unknown day when they are both naked and horizontal. Now, do you feel like you could tell me what is wrong with that situation? Does you feel so? This is where I come here to tell you how not to be a duppy bat. Because you see in that situation, the woman not necessarily going to say anything to the man straight off, you know. Because if she say anything to the man, she's working against the man thinking that she's emotional, she's needy, she's overthinking things, and she's clingy. And first of all, and worst of all, she is miserable because them barely in anything already. She'll try to put him under management. She's going to talk to all of her friends. And she's going to tell her friends that he is made out of nothing at all. He is a duppy bat, and if she saw him dead in for thirst on the side of the road, she would not piss into his mouth. Now, in order to avoid the hurt feelings that is causing the woman to say those things, because she's not saying those things because she's a Jezebel, she's saying those things because it hurt her. And in order to avoid that moment when the man walk into the room and all of the woman them in the room go like this and turn her from him, I'm going to tell you the one thing that you need to know. Communication. Yes, today on Don't Be a Duppy Bat, communication. Gentlemen, if you have been physical with a woman in any way in the past 24 hours, this is not the time for you to go silent on that woman. Why? Because you are working against an age-old assumption that the man just wanted to get something off of her, and now that he's gotten it, he is bored. No. Me know say some of the man them are gonna come up and say, well, me don't understand that. Yo, shall I take other people fat? Fry me. Just a little yard of knowledge in case you didn't know. A little yard of knowledge in case you didn't know. Me never sure say me's a man with stay so. Yo, me's a good youth. Me's a good youth. All the girl when me used to that. All of them type of something there. Yeah. Well, guess what? Right now, you already assuming that she's emotional, needy, and clingy. You're also on the watch out for when she's gonna ask you to start paying some bills, or when she'll ask you for some credit, or when she'll go dinner with you and your friend them and like other food for carry home for her cousin or her roommate. Everybody attack people fat, fry other people. Me attack fat when my grandmother did use pan people for fried people when me not even meet yet. We don't live in utopia. Me can't reach up right now and grab one of the cloud them like cotton candy and just yum it. Me can't reach down and take up the grass and eat it like jelly bellies. We don't live in a perfect world. You need to link up the woman. I know I said them say, yo, me don't understand. Them are a feminist. Yeah, the older them say them are feminist and them even on them type of something, then them equal with you. Why she can't link with? Yes, okay, that's fair enough. I'm not here to talk to you about gender roles, despite the fact that I am pursuing a little degree into gender studies. What I'm saying to you is this. When we come to a place in the world where she can have 5 men and people don't call her a whore, the same way that you have 5 women and them only call you a stula, a little yard of knowledge in case you didn't know, then maybe you can talk to me about how people equal and even or women can do all of the exact same thing them as man. Until then, work with what you're there. The girl is trying to get out of a mindset where you are just trying to use her. So, communication. You can think of communication as a kind of social lubricant that is going to oil the wheels that are going to take you to where you want to be, which is at some point where it is you and her skin to skin, hug up and love up and all of those something there. If you want to go there, please maintain contact with the girl. I know it's very likely that you get busy. I know that maybe because it never got all the way, it never mean all of that to you or whatever, or worse, if it did go all the way, contact the girl. Just like the girl and say some Because she listen out fit right now for just ensure say you was a nice guy. You see, if you feel right here, before it reach the umpteenth hour, you're not get through for gonna further than right now. So please conduct yourself appropriately. Don't hurt up the girl feelings and don't make her have to start spreading rumor on you. Please. Me know why it is that we've been doing this thing for so long, but I know we can't get it. On the other hand, women, if him walk out, just send him a little message, must him a little BB kiss. Just send a little kiss emoticon and let that be that. I know you don't want to do it because you don't want him to be walking around popping collar and say, yo, she want me, you know, watch out. I barely walk out of the house. Like, yo, she request me, she want me come back. I know you're worried about all of them something there, but sometimes, you know, you can't try a little thing, take the bull by the hand. Just, yo, bust him a little message before anything. If him don't, however, respond to the message in a timely fashion, you know, say I forgot to start spread the room and them again and just so the game play. So please, whoever you are, you know, say you don't call the girl. You know, say you have a girl right now you did link up with 2 days ago. And now you don't message the girl. Message the girl because she's just about to put all of our friends on a conference call and start slander your name because you hurt our feelings. Please, thanks, bye. Oh, actually, not please, thanks, bye. I've been nominated for Jamaica Blog Awards. I think I was nominated in 3 categories, but them take back one of them because I'm an overseas blogger. So I'm nominated in Best Video Blog, Country from Long Time, and Best Overseas Blog, which is for MooreTalkJa. So voting is open now. It's going to be open for the next couple of days, and you can vote 1 time a day per day. And a ballot to our stuff is a legit thing. You're actually allowed to vote more than 1 time. So go to JamaicaBlogAwards.org and vote there, or I'm going to put the links down here where you can click directly to vote for me. Please remember to vote every day. You got to vote every day, okay? And what else? Big ups to everybody who buck up in the supermarket and all of them type of thing. Big up to Courtney, big up to Lisa, big ups to Kim, big ups to Alaine. Yeah, big ups to all of the people them who come up to me and show me love. Everybody remember to like me, follow me, tweet me, subscribe to me, all of them something there, and Happy New Year. Enjoy yourself. I will be back. Goodbye. One more thing before I go. I don't want anybody watch this vlog and assume that I'm saying that all women are clingy or emotional or needy or they can't just have a physical thing without attaching any emotion to it. That's not what I'm saying. There are a lot of women out there who can play that non-attachment game better than even men can play that non-attachment game. And it depends on the situation. If it's a situation where you and the girl just bust a one thing, then yo, you bust a one thing and you go on your way. But I'm talking about specifically a situation where the girl check for you, and the girl assumes that you are checking for her and you know work out a little thing for end up somewhere. That is the type of situation that I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the one-off something there. So I don't want nobody come look for me and tell me, say, oh, all women emotional. That's not what I'm saying. Okay? Boring.